Bonjour et bienvenue to the French language series again. I'm back with another lesson and today's lesson is all about les jours de la semaine. That is the days of the week. Now we will start this lesson with a question and the question is il y a combien de jours dans une semaine, which means how many days are there in the week. So the answer is there are 7 days in the week. So now why don't you tell me that which is your favorite day of the week? By answering the question by saying mon jour préféré est, that means my favorite day is. Now we will see the days of the week, les jours de la semaine. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi et dimanche. Lundi means Monday, mardi means Tuesday, mercredi means Wednesday, jeudi means Thursday, vendredi means Friday, samedi means Saturday, and dimanche means Sunday. Repeat the French. Now repeat the French week's name again. Lundi, mardi, lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi et dimanche. Now we will go further and we will do some fun exercises. Here you can see that I have written 3 things: hier, aujourd'hui et demain. Hier means yesterday, aujourd'hui means today, and demain means tomorrow. So now you have to tell me that which day come before vendredi and after vendredi. And in the second one you have to tell me that which day comes after lundi. So before vendredi the day comes and that is jeudi. And jeudi means Thursday. And after vendredi which day comes? Saturday. And that we say that samedi. So now if we come to lundi, which day comes after lundi? The day comes after lundi is mardi. And mardi means Tuesday. And the day which comes after mardi is mercredi. And mercredi means Wednesday. So here we have seen Thursday, Friday, Saturday, jeudi, vendredi et samedi. And in the second one we have seen Monday, lundi, mardi, Tuesday and mercredi, Wednesday. So I hope by this exercise your doubts are clear and have understood the lesson very well. Some people say that the day's name comes after the planet, and I also believe that. So we will now see which day comes from which planet. Lundi, le lune, means it comes from moon. Mardi, Mars. Mercredi, Mercury. Jeudi, Jupiter. Vendredi, Venus. Samedi, Saturn, and dimanche means the sun. Remember to practice, practice and practice more. So that is it for today. Au revoir, monsieur, madame et mademoiselle. À bientôt.